TCM, one of my favorite ancient healing modalities, which really has a history of going back 10,000 years, depending on who you read. It is still relevant today because we're dealing with the meridian system. The meridian system, basically, there's 12 major meridians in the body, and each meridian is feeding, whether it's the liver meridian, the gallbladder meridian, kidney, whatever meridian it is, it's an energetic pathway. So understanding the meridian system, if we're having liver stagnation, we may need to influence the liver, gallbladder meridians, and so we can employ acupuncture to energetically open up the flow of these meridians. We also look at Chinese medicine, which gave us Qigong. So before the Chinese medicine, there was Qigong, and Qigong is probably the most ancient healing art that we have that really originated from the more modern day Chinese medical practices that we see, where we get introduced to Qigong while in acupuncture school. But Qigong really is the grandfather of acupuncture. So when we employ Chinese medicine, we're not just employing acupuncture, herbs, we're employing an ancient healing tradition that employs Qigong medicine, that employs using the energetics of why we become stagnant in the liver, the spleen, the pancreas, or whatever organ. And we want to open up these organ meridians energetically so we can start really getting better communication between brain and organ. And this is why Chinese medicine is still relevant today. And so we still want to employ it. And one of the main constituents of Chinese medicine is the three treasures. And so when we get into the three treasures in Chinese medicine, it's Qi, Jing, and Shen. Those are the three treasures. The Jing really is the kidney, adrenal, battery reserve, and most people are in adrenal burnout. So in Chinese medicine, they knew 10,000 years ago to support the kidney adrenals with herbs and in Chinese medicine, with acupuncture, with cupping, with other techniques to make sure that we do everything under the sun to make sure that the kidney adrenal reserves don't tank. Because when the adrenal reserves go low, that's the battery. The lower it goes, the closer you are to dying. So we have to see how important the kidney adrenal Jing energy is. So when we talk about Jing, we're talking about amazing basics of human physiology and psychology. Most men are ruled by sperm, most women are ruled by blood, and in both cases it's loss of sperm depletes the Jing, depletes the kidney adrenals. Loss of blood depletes the kidney Jing adrenal energy. And so the Chinese knew how important it was 10,000 years ago. That's why they made it a treasure. So I look at the Jing energy and I make my programs to restore the Jing, to ultimately restore the kidney adrenal reserves, to build up the battery so we can have longevity, health, and vitality. And that's how important, how relevant Chinese medicine is today.